Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and a price analysis video on Metahero. I've yet to do one of these. I've been putting it off for a while just due to the fact that we don't have much trading data yet. I mean, we've probably got, let's have a look, back to 7th of July. So you're talking not too much really, about 7 to 8 weeks worth of data. It's not enough, but a lot of people have been asking me to do a video. They want to buy in and they want to have a look at a few key levels to potentially buy in. So we'll have a look. If you are new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button and let's crack on. So this video, as ever, is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you're wanting to get one step ahead of the game, go and check their platform out. You will find the link in the pinned comment and the description. So Metahero, which is ticker Hero, 30% rise today. A couple of days ago, there was that lead up to the interview, which happened yesterday with Cointelegraph and the Future Blockchain Summit conference in Dubai. So that was on. Gryn was speaking, and ever since then, the price has hit a new all-time high. So things are looking good. I cannot explain how bullish I am on this project. Gryn says you actually invest in teams and not projects, and that's exactly what I see here. They have a solid team, and I'm really holding on to this for a long time. No chance of selling anytime soon. Not at these measly 4 cent levels. This is going to go some places. So just looking at some of the key stats. Circulating supply there, 4.6 billion. Maximum supply is 10 billion. That will be dwindled down and down as the burn rate gets more effective. Looking at market cap, we're just shy of $200 million now, 194 million. 24-hour trading volume is $6.6 million, so that is still very, very low. I do expect that to ramp up very, very soon on that lead up to the blockchain summit in Dubai. Scrolling down, if you're wanting to get hold of some of this, still not on many exchanges, and if you're a tough an investor and you're thinking, right, I only want to buy it on the solid platforms, you either wait or you buy it on me. So we've got Gate.io, which is a decent exchange. I actually bought mine on PancakeSwap. That is a very easy exchange to use. If you want to know how to use PancakeSwap and you're thinking, right, I've not used it before, jump into my Telegram group. You'll find that link in the description of this video, and give me a shout and I'll show you how to do it. So that's where you can get it. It is also on Bitmap, but there are a few issues with a wallet, but I won't worry about that too much. So going on to price analysis, this is Metahero. The daily time frame is actually against the dollar pair, so as you can see, currently at 4.1 cent, and that is the all-time high. So we'll mark that up with the horizontal ray, wherever the heck it is. There it is. So that's the previous all-time high there, and that is a new all-time high. We have hit 4.23 cents. So all in all, a nice break above the all-time high. What I want to start off by doing is just drops of a weekly time frame. I know we do not have much analysis there, but I want to just see if any got any levels that marry up nicely. You're not going to get many. I mean, there's one level there if you look at that. So we had 2 weeks within the same area and we bounced off. That's down at 2.5 cents. I'm not expecting us to go down there, but we'll just leave that level on just in case the market does turn sour. Now let's have a look on a 3-day actually, see if we've got any data down there. You could see we've got one around there, very, very close. We'll mark it up as well. If you look at that wick and that wick, both rejected off the same point, and this candle blasted right through it, and that's at 3.2 cents. So dropping back into the daily. So far, we've done a good rise, and it is a mammoth rise. If we look at this in terms of a rise, how much we've done from the bottom there to the current all-time high, we've done a 50% move over the last 2 days. So let's analyze this move here. Drop into the 4-hour time frame, we'll get a better idea of price situation. So if we put a Fibonacci on this, there's no other way of finding any other key levels other than those weekly levels. So we have the bottom of a move there, and this is the top of a move currently at the all-time highs. If you are looking to buy, I mean, what I would be doing, market buy. I would be market buying anything because this is still so early. But if you want to hold out and you want to wait for a couple of investment levels, then you got this region here, this 382 level at 0.036. That's 3.6 cents. If you want to wait for a retracement from here, that would be the area where I would potentially place some orders. When you're placing orders, you've only really got gate.io, so that's probably the best place to place some orders. You can't do it over on PancakeSwap, but you could just wait for a price to drop, then market buy at that price. We also have this region here, the 618 level, which is a golden ratio, which sometimes I tend to target that, but this is so undervalued that I don't even want to look at that level. I mean, there's quite a bit of confluence here. If you look at this region here, on that 618 level, we've got a wick here, and a wick here. So that does show that there is demand within that range. But for me, I think it might just be a little bit of a stretch too far, dropping down to the 3.3 cents. So I will leave orders there at 0.0369. So that's 3.6 cents. That is where I would potentially place some orders. But if we're looking for some areas to take profit, which in my opinion is a silly idea right now, or you could be wanting just to accumulate to sell percentage of your bag to grow your bags, but remember that burn fee is in place, so it might not be worth your while. But if you're looking for profit short term, then you could obviously look at this negative 618 level here at 0.0510. So that's 5.1 cent. But yeah, it is very, very early. For me, if you're looking for price predictions, it's hard because there's so much going on and this is so early. I mean, if you're looking at $1 billion market cap, that's a times 5 from here. So you times 5 by 4, that's up at 20 cents towards $1 billion. Is my maths working all right? Yeah, it's around that, isn't it? So that's up at 20 cents. That would make it $1 billion in market cap. With the current supply. So that's currently, if you look at that in terms of where we are from there to there, 377% move. I hope my maths is alright. I'm going to look like an absolute wally, but you know what I mean? That is a good chance that we could push up to those prices at some stage, and that would take us, like I say, to that $1 billion market cap. If we look on CoinGecko and have a look at the market cap, where would it take us in terms of $1 billion? So we scroll down, right down to around here. So it would take us to about 100th place. If we just go back, we are currently sat at 282. So that is not out of a question. And in my opinion, this will be a multi-billion-dollar asset at some stage in the future. Once that V3 Metascanner is out there in Dubai, people see it. Hundreds of thousands of people will get eyes on that imagery, that machine that will be able to paint 1,000 words. So once people see that, once big retail investors see that, once institutional investors see that, I think there will be no holding this back. So like I say, if you're wanting to get into this, I wouldn't even consider placing some orders, buy in. I know you're not at the best investment place, how you're buying in at the current all-time highs, but 7 to 8 weeks worth of trading data is not much. So for me, I mean, it's still under 5 cents. Anything under 5 cents is probably the best investment of your life. So do what you want, either place some orders or just buy in. But for me, it's an absolute great investment. So that's going to do it. I can't really talk about much more than that because, like I say, we haven't got that data available. But that's just my thoughts on Metahero, the ticker Hero. Hold on for dear life because it's going to be one hell of a ride. That's going to do it for today's video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button and I'll catch you next time.